Here we have the Ninja Max Dual Zone Air Fryer, a 9.5 liter version with 2 drawers, and honestly, this thing feels big straight out of the box. First impressions, the design looks really modern with its dark gunmetal grey finish, and it actually feels premium when you touch it, not those cheap plastic ones like the budget air fryers. Inside the box you get the air fryer itself, 2 separate baskets, the crisping plates and the manuals. The cool thing about this model is a dual zone system. That means that you can cook 2 completely different foods at the same time. For example, fries on one side and chicken or vegetables on the other side. And with the sync function, both sides finish cooking the exactly same time. That's honestly super useful for families. This model has modes like air fry, max crisp, roast, bake, reheat and dehydrate. The baskets are also really large. You can easily cook enough food for the whole family without doing multiple batches. One thing I immediately noticed compared to the older air fryer is how fast it heats up and how crispy the food gets, especially with the maximum crisp mode. Noise level is actually pretty reasonable too. It's not silent, but definitely quieter than I expected for such a powerful machine. My overall impression? This feels more like a serious kitchen appliance than just a gadget. If you cook a lot at home, have kids or just want a fast, crispy food without using much oil, I can already tell you the Ninja air fryer is probably worth it. I was never convinced with air fryers before, but now we have this machine, we use it all the time. I was really surprised how good it is.